Lesson 5, Long Vowel Sounds. In Lessons 2, 3, and 4, you use the short vowel sounds in words. Remember, the short vowel sounds are a, e, I, a, uh. In this lesson, you'll see some examples of single letters that make long vowel sounds. The long vowel sounds are the names of the letters: A, E, I, O, U. Listen carefully to the long vowel sounds these letters make. Ch, I, ld, child. G, o, ld, gold. The words I, he, she, and we also have vowels that say their own name. You will see them everywhere and remember them naturally. The letter Y can also make long vowel sounds. The rule for Y is easy. If Y is the last letter of a word with one sound, then it says I. If Y is the last letter of a word with two or more sounds, then it says E. Here are some words with one sound: cur, I, cry, full, I, fly, sk, I, sky, sp, I, spy. Here are words with two sounds. Listen carefully. B, a, b, e, baby, k, a, d, e, candy, p, p, e, puppy. If I is the last letter of a word, it usually makes the long E sound. Ski and taxi are two examples. Great job! In the next lesson, you'll learn some interesting spelling rules and some more new sounds.